In this video, I will teach you how to create recoil profiles. The most common and useful way is through a video clip of recoil pattern. Just click here, Create from Recoil Video. Load your recoil clip. Then zoom in or out and adjust position to see trajectory clearly. You can adjust frames to the time when you can see the trajectory. Then mark the trajectory by bullets in order. After marking, press D to go to later frames, then mark again. You can just mark all bullets and ignore all the predicted ones that are shown in the yellow dashed lines. Or just mark the first bullet and accepted the predicted ones that are already marked. Just click this button to do this. After accepting the marked bullets, continue to mark the remaining ones. Then move to other frames. Continue to mark the new bullets until the whole gun magazine is marked. Sometimes we can't find the first bullet because the shooting time is too long or the recoil is too large. In that case, we need to use this button, Can't find the first bullet. Suppose you have marked some bullets in the previous frames, and in later frames, if you can't find the first several bullets, just mark a bullet that is still visible. Then adjust the reference index, which means the index of this marked bullet. Find the reference index that makes the predicted trajectory exactly overlapping the one in the frame. Then you can choose to accept the predicted trajectory or just accept the marked one. After this, continue to finish marking this frame. The next step is to mark the shooting timeline. We will do that in this panel. Adjust frames to when the first bullet is shot. Then, when a bullet is shot, click here to record the time point of that bullet. Do this several times to go over all the trajectory. Then we can go to the next step. Here is the marked trajectory. Click Auto Segment to segment it into different sequences. You can also modify the segmentation over here. After all is done, go to the next step. Here we will configure the recoil magnitude so that it matches the real game. Here are multiple ways to do this. Since we already have a video clip, we can use the video method. Import the same video first. Then go to the frame where you can see the whole trajectory clearly. Mark the lowest and highest bullets. Then configure your game FOV and scope magnification ratio used for this video. It will give an estimated recoil magnitude. The next step allows you to change the smoothing factor of the trajectory and the view speed ratio of X and Y axes. Just modify by your feeling and actual game settings. This step allows you to tune the guidance audio. The trajectory's information is encoded into the audio to help you master recoil pattern quickly. This final panel shows you the recoil strength of the trajectory. You can save the profile after all is finished. Besides video marking, we can also just use a recoil pattern snapshot to create a profile if the trajectory is simple. Import an image of the recoil trajectory. The image will be rotated by 180 degrees, so the first bullet will be on the top. Mark from the first bullet to the last bullet. Click here to start marking. After marking, use Auto Segment to split the trajectory into different sequences. Then, following steps are similar to video marking. Just go through all the workflow in the app. If you are familiar with the workflow, you can directly use Pattern Lab. All workflows are combined in this interface. It is clear and highly organized. You can also import from Workshop. Just subscribe and download the profile to your local computer. I also encourage everyone to share your created profile to Workshop. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, welcome to subscribe, comment, and share.